Good afternoon. My name is Imo Etu, and this is Jambite.com. Today we are at the JAMB tutorial center here in Calabar, and we'll be interviewing some Jambites who will share their experience with us. And here with me is
Faith Okon.
alright. Good afternoon, Faith Okon. So where exactly are we?
Elsa Foundation.
LCL Foundation. So what do they do here?
It's a JAMB class where they teach you things that you are finding difficulty to understand.
In JAMB. Okay, alright. Having said that, it means you registered for this year's JAMB. Okay. Is this your first JAMB? You've been writing JAMB before now. This is your second JAMB. So I would like to know how much is the JAMB for this year?
It's
4,700. Do you think it's very expensive or it's cheap compared to the previous years?
last year it was kind of cheap, but cheaper than this one.
Okay. You said you registered for JAMB twice. What really happened during the first JAMB? Is it that you didn't meet the cutoff mark or something happened? Why were you not given admission?
I had passed my JAMB, but I was not able to
So which university did you apply for? What course did you apply for? If I want to apply for economics in Unical, what are the JAMB subject combination I should be considering?
JAMB subject combination is math, English, economics, and government.
Okay, so if I should have that, I am good to go. Thank you very much. I would like you to also briefly tell us about the registration process. How was the registration process when you registered for this year's JAMB? How was the process?
It's when you go to Unical, there's a kind of office where you go and pay your 4,000. After that, you go inside the e-life where you're supposed to pay 700 for the center where you register your information, which university.
Okay, alright. Some other Jambites complain about network issues. I don't know if you experienced such challenges during the registration process. And how long did it take you to finish the registration?
I arrived at the JAMB where I'm supposed to register around like 7. Due to network and other things, I left around
6 in the evening. Wow, and were you able to complete the registration the very day you went?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you went on a particular day and you finished your registration. Okay, that's interesting because some other students were saying it took them 1 week, so you said 3 days before they could finish the registration process. Alright, so you said you want to study economics. I would like to know what inspired this your choice of course?
Like Nigeria having like economic problems. I want to be able to help Nigeria solve their problem in economy. Like maybe I can even think of it like a civil engineer.
Okay, alright.
Like I love Nigeria.
That's interesting. So I want to ask you, do you really have passion for this economics, or you're doing it because and there's a problem you want to solve, and solving this problem you will benefit from it, you will make money out of it? Is this something you have passion for?
Yes, sir.
You have passion for it. Okay, that's interesting. And also, I would like to know, how are you really preparing for this your JAMB examination, aside from you coming for this JAMB tutorials?
I have a JAMB schedule that helps me to know what to read and know what not to read. And I also have my brother's phone where I can research on some certain things that are not in the textbook.
Okay. Do you have access to materials such as JAMB past questions, your textbooks and other stuff?
Yes, sir.
Do you practice online, like we have numerous apps on Play Store where you can download and study JAMB past questions? Do you do that?
No.
Okay. Also, I'd like to know, you just said something that you're attending a JAMB tutorial, you also access other materials at home and online. I would like to know, having done all these things, do you think there's any other thing that will affect or that will be a challenge to you that will affect the examination?
I don't really think so. But for now, I'm good at it. I know I will do well this year.
Okay, alright. It's a computer-based exam. Are you very good using the computer? It won't be an hindrance to you. Okay. All right. So I don't know if you were able to write more. I heard few persons or few people were able to register and write the mock exam. Did you participate in the mock exam?
No.
Why?
I was advised by my friends.
You were advised by your parents not to. And what were the reasons for you not to participate in that
We
exam?
were told by someone that if you don't write do more JAMB, you will not really write exact JAMB. That's what they told me.
That
So,
if you write mock, you will not write the main exam. Did you try to confirm that information?
I think people that was around me were saying the same thing, so I just.
Okay, alright. Now that JAMB is barely 3 weeks, the exam is barely 3 weeks, I would like to ask you, on a scale of 1 to 10, how prepared are you for this exam?
I would say like 75%, not 100%, but just 75%. Because I really, I think I will be 100%.
That should be like 7. Okay, alright. Lastly, before you leave, what advice do you have for upcoming Jambite students, aspiring Jambite students like you? What advice do you have for them?
They should register for JAMB, they should not stay at home and be illiterate, they should educate themselves to help them in the future. When they get married and have children, they have something to do.
Alright, thank you very much. You heard that, and with our consent, we'll be posting this video. So we really appreciate you. Thank you very much for your time. This is Jambite.com. Stay tuned.